What is up, you guys? It's your boy, Boss She Time, back at it again with another 16:9 aspect ratio record. Now this time, I'm going to be playing a pack called Extreme Laination. And you know what? I'm not going to be a pussy and play at like a normal difficulty. I'm stepping up my game. I'm playing on 1.5 difficulty, motherfuckers. I'm not playing that level. I meant to be playing this one. Because E-Termination, that's girl shit.
Start. Level up. Level up. Game over.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That is revolutionary! Oh my god! Alpha, fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! That is the best record that I have ever gotten! Oh my god!
Open
No!
Hexagon.
This is so going up on YouTube. Fuck you, Alpha!